guys doing?
That is so awesome. Woo. God morgon and hej allihopa. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in bird photographer paradise, Orlando Wetlands. It's still early morning. It's very humid outside. And I'm already loving every second of it. It's so much wildlife, so much action going on. So we're gonna get this bad boy working. I picked this up last week. It's the Sony A7 IV lens, and I also added a converter on it to get even closer. So very excited to try this out. I've been hearing a lot of good stuff about this lens, so let's take it for a run. The park features 1,650 acres of restored wetlands, including marshes, swamps, and forests, providing stunning backdrops for photography, birdwatching, and hiking. Home to over 220 bird species, the park is a paradise for birdwatchers and photographers. Winter months attract migratory birds, while year-round residents include great blue herons, red-shouldered hawks, ospreys, common gallinules, and vultures. You might also encounter raccoons, river otters, white-tailed deer, turtles, bobcats, and alligators along the trails. It is very exciting because you never know what you'll see. This park is also home to over 18 species of wildlife that are federally or state listed as threatened, endangered, or protected. Well-maintained trails and boardwalks make the park accessible for everyone. Whether you prefer long hikes or short strolls, the paths offer excellent spots for observing and photographing wildlife. There's also benches at key locations, providing a perfect resting or observing spot. The trail names hint at the wildlife you might see here, such as Otter Boulevard, Alligator Alley, Night Heron Lane, Osprey Boulevard, Wetlands Boulevard, Vulture View, and many, many more. The park's rich biodiversity, accessible trails, and diverse habitats make it a must-visit for both bird photographers and nature enthusiasts alike. But if you have any other recommendations for wildlife photography, wherever it might be, comment below, because I'm always looking for new adventures. When you're here visiting, make sure to cross the bridge to see the beautiful, colorful, roseate spoonbills. I have only seen them from a distance before, and I was so excited to finally get some gorgeous photos of them. Look at those feathers. I just love great blue herons. They're so beautiful. That's amazing. Anyway, guys, that is it for today. I hope you enjoy watching. Leave a comment which bird was your favorite. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Up until the next time, have an absolutely amazing day. Hej då! I swear they have something against me. I don't have any food.